Holy crap! Almost $2,000 for a tip? Amazing! Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the RideShare Guy. And that's right, have you seen tips that are 100 times the amount that you're supposed to be getting? Like a $5 tip, but you see $500? Or in the case that you just saw, a $19 tip that actually said $1,946? Yeah, that probably got a few people really excited and then really angry after they realized that Uber made a huge mistake. So yeah, unfortunately, it was a big glitch that happened. And Uber, what is going on? If you're gonna tell us that we're gonna get a $2,000 tip, pull it out of the bank account and put it in our banks. You know, it would really go pretty good when it comes to, I don't know, things like gas. 55-cent surcharge, not gonna really cut it. But if I saw something like a $550 tip, well, that'll be really nice. But either way, what are some of the things that you've seen when it came to the tips? And have you seen it for multiple or have you just seen it on one? So unfortunately, yeah, it was a glitch. Somebody over there screwed up and decided to put in a decimal point in the wrong place by 2. So it looked like you were getting a lot bigger of a tip than what you really got. Unfortunately, if you go to the actual receipt, you will see the actual amount, which let's say if it was $5.50, you would actually see $5.50. You wouldn't see 550 like it would have shown there. Now, I really hope that people who saw that, they weren't driving and then got really excited and jerked the wheel. We always want to be driving safe out there. So if something seems too good to be true, just verify and check it out. Don't get your hopes up, especially when it comes to something like Uber and Lyft, because usually there's a lot of glitches involved. Uber did send out emails to people that were affected saying that they were erroneous when it came to the tip notification by 100 times and to verify the actual tip in the fare breakdown, and you will see what the true customer tip is. Unfortunately, this is coming after the fact it already happened. So people who think that they're getting tipped, you know, $500 instead of $5, that's a huge deflation. So it's a very unfortunate thing that happened. But again, if it's too good to be true, especially from Uber or Lyft, it probably is. All right, sound off in the comments below on what you had seen when you were out there. Did you see that erroneous error? And what were your thoughts when you saw it? And then, unfortunately, how deflated were you after? Let us know, comment below. Uber versus Lyft, which one is better to drive for? Well, check out this video right here, and it's going to show you what we think when it comes to the breakdown of what is better to drive for in 2022 when it comes to Uber versus Lyft. Also, make sure you subscribe, ring the bell for notifications for all of our new content that comes out every single week to help you maximize your earnings as a gig worker. All right, everybody, drive safe.